Tired of Twilio Signup headaches when all you want to do is integrate it with Rumble? Let's fix that. First things first, head over to Twilio's website. You'll see a prominent sign up button, usually located near the center or top right of the page. Click it. This is where the adventure begins. You'll be prompted to enter your personal details, including your first name, last name, and a valid email address. Create a strong and secure password. Remember, this account will be handling important communications, so security is key. Next, you'll need to verify your phone number. Enter your phone number carefully, ensuring you include the correct country code. Twilio will send you a verification code via SMS. Keep an eye on your phone, as you'll need this code for the next step. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the designated field on the Twilio website. This confirms that you had access to the phone number you provided. Twilio will then ask you about your intended use for the platform. This is crucial for Rumble integration. Select the option that best describes your needs. For instance, something like notifications and alerts or customer engagement. Being honest helps Twilio tailor the experience. After answering the initial questions, you'll be taken to your Twilio project dashboard. Here, you'll find your project IT and Auth token. These are like the username and password for your Twilio account and are essential for connecting Twilio to Rumble. Keep these safe and secure. And that's it. You've successfully signed up for Twilio and are now ready to integrate it properly with Rumble. No more headaches, just seamless communication. Good luck.